Getting HWID banned in games like Valorant, Apex, or Rust is an absolute nightmare. Suddenly, your expensive gaming rig is useless for your favorite titles. But what if you could just hit a reset button on your PC's identity, safely and without any tech wizardry? That's exactly what Cheato offers. It's an HWID spoofer designed to change your computer's digital fingerprint. That unique ID that anti-cheats like Vanguard, BattlEye, and EAC use to enforce those hardware bans. Think of it as giving your PC a temporary, undetectable disguise. You run Cheato, one click, and your hardware IDs are masked. To the game server, you appear as a completely new system. The best part? This is all temporary. The moment you reboot your PC, your original hardware IDs are restored. No permanent, risky changes to your system. No flashing your BIOS, no reinstalling Windows. It's all software-based, which means it's safe and reversible. Cheato supports a massive list of games. We're talking all the big shooters like Call of Duty, Fortnite, Escape from Tarkov, The Finals, plus many more. It's constantly updated to stay ahead of anti-cheat patches, aiming for that sweet undetected status. It even includes a built-in cleaner to remove old game logs and HWID traces, ensuring a fresh start. And don't worry about performance. It runs silently with no FPS impact. So, why Cheato over other random tools you might find? Transparency and safety. No sketchy permanent modifications that can brick your device or still get you caught. This is about giving you a clean slate. Whether you're trying to recover from a ban, run multiple accounts, or just value your privacy online, it's your way back into the game, playing smarter and safer.